Our program is really special. We are very international, very innovative, and very high quality. How do we achieve that? Great cooperation with MIT already for 3 years. A lot of our students already went there. Great new cooperation with Harvard. Our students get a certificate there. Great international experience. Our students can study in France, in Dubai, or in both. You also can go to our partner university, Polimi in Milano, or go to our partner university, Lancaster, study there, get a certificate there. And beside all these great international experience, we have very innovative courses. How do we do that? 25 teachers, all of them C-level executives, a lot of experience, high quality people, and very innovative courses. The world is changing fast. We have to teach you the new stuff. Let's talk about tariffs. Let's talk about AI. Let's talk about geopolitics.
To introduce the MicroMasters program in supply chain management a bit more, there are 5 online courses that cover all aspects of supply chain management. Our online courses offer the same rigor and value as our MIT on-campus courses. The first half of the curriculum will cover mathematical and conceptual models, and the second half will focus on the real world. After you complete all 5 online courses, you will need to take the comprehensive and final exam, also known as the CFX. So what to expect? Upon successful completion of the program, you will receive 5 verified certificates, a MicroMasters credential in supply chain management, and you will become an affiliate to the MIT Alumni Association. Through our MicroMasters program, you will accelerate your career and education. We truly look forward to seeing you in our program.
If you would like to have more additional information, watch. We have a ton of videos from our previous students, from our alumni, from our teachers.